Hey guys, I'm Instructor Phillipson. I just wanted to personally welcome you to the class. Thank you so much for getting started in the Respond to Instructor email thread. I really appreciate that. Just a couple of things as you're working on our discussions in this class, be sure to think about things from the perspective of a manager. So if you were leading a department today, why would this discussion be important? How does this information matter? Second, make sure that you're level loading your work. So by that, I mean, don't sit down and try to do everything in one day. It's a good idea to schedule time throughout the week. You can even schedule multiple times in a given day. Remember that the more beginnings and endings you have, the more you're going to remember. So if you think about movies, we tend to remember what happened at the beginning and the end of the movie, but we kind of forget a little bit about what happens in the middle. So if we have lots of beginnings and endings as we're studying, we remember more. Finally, please make sure to communicate frequently. If you have any questions about things, let me know. I'm always happy to help. Have a great day.